Welcome to Papa Za's Kitchen.
Quickies.
These videos are quickies, but some of these recipes can take a bit of time and a little love. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell.
White cheddar pesto mac and cheese. White cheddar. On medium-low heat, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, half a tablespoon of flour, and whisk for 30 seconds. Add 1 cup cream. Whisk. 2 cups white cheddar. Mix well. One tablespoon of pesto. Mix. Half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Stirring often. Bring to a boil. Then simmer on low heat until desired thickness. Fill pot halfway with water. On high heat, add salt. Cover and bring to a boil. Add 2 cups macaroni noodles. Stir. Boil 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off heat. Strain noodles over your sink. Remaining white cheddar sauce. Add those macaroni noodles to it. Mix it real good. White cheddar pesto mac and cheese.
Thanks for watching Papa Za's Kitchen Quickies. Make this dish on its own or put it on a pizza. Check the link below. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.